This is a new 2015 Ford Mustang. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.7-liter, 6-cylinder engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include electric trunk, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system, cruise control. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Kisselback Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1118 13th Street, St. Cloud, Florida 34769.